This is the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle designed without curves, without paint, and without compromise. Its shape is not a design trend. It is the result of material limits and manufacturing decisions. To build something like this, Tesla had to rethink how a factory works. This is where Cybertruck production begins, long before a single panel comes together. Inside, the process follows a logic very different from conventional truck manufacturing. Cybertruck does not rely on a traditional body frame. Its outer shell carries structural responsibility.
This stainless steel behaves differently from conventional automotive materials, demanding tighter control and fewer corrective steps.
Instead of reshaping the material repeatedly, alignment accuracy becomes the priority. Large structural sections are brought together to reduce complexity and increase consistency. At this stage, strength is built into the vehicle before any interior or surface refinement begins. Unlike painted vehicles, Cybertruck's surface is final from the moment the material is formed. Removing paint also removes an entire layer of correction. Every surface must be right the first time. At this point, the vehicle is still unfinished, but its identity is already locked in. A slow push-in reveals the meticulous lighting systems check, analyzing the flawless uniformity of the stainless steel panels.
Here in the calibration zones, advanced robotics and human technicians finalize the interior systems, preparing the Cybertruck for the road.
Watch as the central display module is seamlessly integrated into the minimalist dashboard by synchronized robotic systems. At this stage, every system has been verified, not for appearance, but for function.
What leaves this factory is not shaped by design trends, but by manufacturing discipline.
Cybertruck is built differently because it had to be. Every decision here reflects limits, materials, and engineering priorities. This is how Tesla manufactures the Cybertruck.